it's really important, especially fishing in the fall, don't get hung up on one bait. Change your bait around. That's exactly the reason why it's another really good fish. Oh, are you kidding me? What have I got? I got a drum. I foul hooked him. Remy, it's your favorite fish. I'm just killing the multi-species today. Yep, drum. Whew. Here you go, boy. Yeah, that's your favorite, ain't it? Huh? Here. No? Okay. Oh, yeah, you want him. Go ahead. Get him, buddy. There you go. You got him? All right, he's going back in the water. All right, bud. In the back. But like I was saying, in the fall, you know, keep changing your baits up. Don't get hung up on one specific bait. That's what. There we go. Another little smallie. My drag was loose. Back, Remy. You don't want to get one of these Fusion 19 hooks in your head. They're sharp. Got a little smallmouth. You like that? Now he hit it. There's a rock pile almost right underneath the boat. He hit it just as my crankbait come loose of them rocks. I may come back through here later and refish all these deep rocks. Change spots again. Now we're getting up here into town. Bottom. Oh, we got a nice one here. Nice little smallie. Went to twitch my rod and didn't feel the bait. He had it, was swimming off with it. Woo! Sharp hooks. Whoop! Here you go, Riam. You want it? Come here. There he goes. Let's see if we can get another one. Got a little one. Here you go. Come here. Good boy. Oh, here we go. Got him. Give me a kiss. All right, attaboy. All right, in the back. Come on in the back. Well, we found another one. See if we can keep the pattern going. Jerkbait on rock, jig on wood. All right, guys. I shut the camera off for a few minutes while I talked to another fisherman, and we got us another smallie. Caught this one here on a Booyah Lipless Crankbait. Decent little 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.75 pounds. See if we can't do it again. Now I'm gonna run down the lake and see if I can't clean up some of those other spots that I was just in with a lipless crankbait. Lipless crankbaits are a really, really good fall bait. Because these fish are so keyed in on shad, and these little lipless crankbaits. There we go. There's another nice one. Oh, it come off. They do such a good job at imitating these smaller shad. Alright, we got another smallmouth. Back. Another good solid smallie too. Nice chunky one. Alright, we got us another smallmouth. Here you go, buddy. Give him a kiss. Well, he does not want to hold out. So, here we go. Got us another nice little smallie on jerkbait. We'll try to catch a couple more, and then I got to go. Got about 10 minutes left to fish. Alright, in the back, bud.